I want you guys to do this with me now. Follow me, go to Discover tab, that compass icon. Then go to Quests, scroll down. You will find Claim 1 Day of Nitro banner here. There's no scam, don't worry, take my word for it. In order to claim this Nitro, you have to watch a 236 minutes movie trailer. Let's just say, Discord is doing a promo for a new movie which will be releasing on April. You have to stay on the screen until the movie trailer ends. See the Nitro icon on the right-hand side. As you progress through this video, the percent of the circle will increase. I won't show you the trailer here, I will skip that part. Check this out. I got my free 1 Day Nitro. I will show you what its perks are. Just like a regular Nitro, you won't see the Nitro badge here. However, you can send animated emoji and stickers. You cannot boost a server though. But you can add profile banner, which is pretty cool. You are also allowed to change profile colors and accent and everything. Now the main question, Pixie, I am on mobile or tablet. I can't see the Discover tab or Quest. Well, go to your browser and turn on developer site or mode, and then log into Discord there. You should be able to see it then. And if you still can't, then go to Discord support team.